Good morning and welcome to the Mary Space Club Daily Space Bulletin. This is your host Lonit Manchanda reporting from the Mary Department of Space Studies. ISRO's bold lunar and navigational roadmaps Chandrayaan 5 and future lunar missions INSS-1F satellites stopped functioning on March 13, 2026. CE-20 cryogenic engine milestone. SpaceX is scheduled to launch Starlink Group 17 to 24. NASA has adjusted the schedule for the Artemis 2 discovery of cold Earth. Today is Tuesday, 17th March 2026. In mythology, Tuesday is named after Mars, the fiery planet that represents our next great frontier for human exploration. Before we begin, here is today's space thought. The Earth is the cradle of humanity, but mankind cannot stay in the cradle forever. A quote given by Constantine. Now here are today's top development in space. National updates. Let us start with national updates. ISRO's bold lunar and navigational roadmaps Chandrayaan 5 and future lunar missions. ISRO Chairman V. Narayanan has officially outlined plans for Chandrayaan 5, which will feature a much heavier lander and a 350 kg rover, a massive leap from the 25 kg rover of Chandrayaan 3. This mission is designed for a 100-day life on the lunar surface. Additionally, Chandrayaan 4 is being developed as a sample return mission to bring lunar soil back to Earth. NAVIC Constellation Alert. India's indigenous navigational system NAVIC is facing a critical challenge after the atomic clock on the INSS-1F satellite stopped functioning on March 13, 2026. While the satellite can still broadcast one-way messages, it can no longer support accurate positioning. With this failure, the constellation currently has only 3 fully reliable satellites, whereas 4 are required for precise navigation. CE-20 cryogenic engine milestone. On March 10, ISRO successfully completed a 165-second hot test of the CE-20 cryogenic engine at the Mahendragiri facility. The engine was tested at an upgraded 22-ton thrust level, up from the previous 19 tons, which significantly increased the payload capacity of the LVM-3 rocket for future milestones like Gaganyaan. That was the latest from India's space sector. Now, let us move towards international space discoveries. SpaceX milestone. Today, March 13, SpaceX is scheduled to launch Starlink Group 17 to 24 from Vandenberg Space 4 base at 5:19 UTC. This mission is historic as it is expected to push SpaceX past the 10,000 satellite threshold. Artemis 2 rollout update. NASA has adjusted the schedule for the Artemis 2 SLS rocket, now targeting March 20 to roll the vehicle from the VAB to launch pad 39B. This slight delay from the original March 19 date was due to the replacement of an electric harness, but NASA still maintains an April 1 launch target for the crewed lunar flyby. Discovery of cold Earth HD 137010b. Astronomers have identified a promising Earth-sized candidate planet HD 137010b orbiting a Sun-like star 146 light-years away. The planet has a year length of 355 days, nearly identical to Earth's. However, it is likely extremely cold with surface temperature estimated at -60 degrees Celsius to -85 degrees Celsius, potentially making it a snowball world. Scientific and educational briefs. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh informed the Rajya Sabha that ISRO has successfully launched 11 student-built satellites so far. Through the student satellite programs, over 850 students from 97 teams have received direct mentorship from ISRO scientists. Regional accessibility. To democratize space technology incubation centers, STICs have been established in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities to ensure students from smaller institutions can contribute to India's space ecosystem. And that concludes your space bulletin. This is Lonit Manchanda from the Mary Space Club. Stay tuned for the latest update, stay curious and keep dreaming big.